How to buy and sell stock on Robinhood app in real time. Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you the steps on how you can buy and sell stocks on Robinhood app. So buying and selling stock on Robinhood app is designed to be user friendly and straightforward. So before we get on with this video, make sure you have a funded Robinhood account and app is installed on your device before you log in. Also be aware that the trading stock involves risk and it's important to do a research or consult a financial advisor before making any investment decision. So then to begin with, you need to log in into your account. For that, open up your application. You can also do it from your web browser if you want to do it so. So for the web browser, you need to type in robinhood.com/sign up. Now once you're on this page, you'll be able to see the sign up button right on top. So click on the sign up button and then enter in your credential. Next page, click on sign in and then enter in your credential. That includes entering your first name, last name, email address and then a password. As soon as you're logged into your account, use the search bar at the top right of the app. Find the stock you want to buy. You can search by the company's name or its stock symbol, example APPL or Apple Inc. Now once you've found the stock that you want, tap on the open and its detail page will load. On the stock details page, you'll need to see a buy button. Tap on it. Now enter the details of your purchase. You'll need the specific number of shares you want to buy and the other type. So there are two common order types, that is market order and limited order. So after that, you need to review your order details, including the number of share, order type and essential cost. If everything looks correct, confirm your order. Once you're done confirming your order, Robinhood expects you to execute it based on the order type you chose. You'll receive a notification when the order is executed and then the share will appear in your account. Now similarly, in order to sell a stock, you need to tap on the portfolio tab at the bottom of the screen. This will show you a list of stock you currently own. After that, tap on the stock you want to sell to open its detail page. On the stock detail page, you'll see a sell button. Tap on it, enter the details of your sell similar to the buying. You'll need the specific number of share you want to sell and the order type. Review your order details, including the number of share or the order type. Confirm the sell if everything is accurate. After confirming, Robinhood will attempt to execute your sell order based on your specifications. You'll receive a notification once the order is executed and correspondence fund will be available in your account. So that is basically how you can buy and sell stock on Robinhood account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.